Welcome to this lesson on calculus. Today, we are exploring the derivatives of trigonometric functions. We will understand how the rates of change work for sine, cosine, and tangent. Before we begin with trigonometry, let's quickly recap what a derivative actually is. Simply put, a derivative measures the instantaneous rate of change. On a graph, this is visualized as the slope of the tangent line at any specific point. Let us look at the sine function. Notice the shape of the wave. It starts at 0, goes up to 1, and comes back down. Pay attention to the steepness of the curve at different points. This steepness is what we want to calculate. If we plot the slope values of the sine wave, we get a new curve. Surprisingly, this new curve is exactly the cosine function. So, the derivative of sine of x is simply cosine of x. Now let's look at the cosine function. It starts at a peak of 1. At the very top of a hill, the slope is 0. As it goes down, the slope becomes negative. Here is the tricky part. The derivative of cosine is negative sine of x. The negative sign is crucial because when the cosine graph is going downwards, its slope is negative, but the regular sine function would be positive there. Moving on to the tangent function. Remember that tangent is equal to sine divided by cosine. This function looks quite different, with curves that sweep upwards towards infinity. The derivative of tangent is secant squared of x, since a squared number is always positive. This matches the graph of tangent, which is always increasing from left to right. Here is the summary of the big 3 rules you need to memorize. The derivative of sine is cosine. The derivative of cosine is negative sine. And the derivative of tangent is secant squared. Why do we learn this? These derivatives are fundamental in physics and engineering. They describe everything from swaying bridges and swinging pendulums to sound waves and alternating current electricity.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.